I have been blown away by these AI tools that I have just discovered. I have not seen anyone talk about them on the internet ever before. Money Crushers, I want you to brace yourselves for this video, as this is going to be one of the most useful videos you will ever watch in your life. I spent almost 100 hours searching for the best ways to make money with AI online and found these gems. After watching this video, you will be looking at $5,000 to $6,000 a month using the AI tools I am going to mention in this video. How cool is that? This is literally once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Hey Money Crushers, welcome back. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. With inflation reaching its all-time high and people losing their jobs, I had to research and find out a way where all my Money Crushers can make money. In this video, I will be sharing 3 AI tools that will work for you day and night and secure a big bag of money for you. Now, before I move on any further, I want to hear from all the people who missed me in the comments down below. You are the only reason I make these videos. More love to my Money Crushers. Now, let's get started. The tools I am going to share today are still not known to millions of people around the globe, and this is your opportunity to jump right at it. The name of the website where you can access all of these tools is called
RunwayML.com.
Once you are on their homepage, click on Try Runway for free. After that, you need to register an account on their platform. After your registration, you will be taken to their app where you will have a whole arsenal of tools to make money. I want you to click on AI Magic Tools and explore all the tools available on this website. You can see their AI provides endless possibilities for making money. Out of all these tools, I have handpicked the best ones that will help you make the most of your time. Now, before I move on any further, I want my Money Crushers to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on my future videos. The best tools that you should focus on this website are InPainting, Backdrop Remix, and Blur Faces. All these tools are super easy to use and work very accurately. And the best part, there is a huge market for these services. Now let me give you a quick sample on what these tools do. Let's check out the InPainting tool first. This tool will help you remove any object or a person from a video. This is just mind-blowing. All you need to do is drag and drop a video from your computer to their editor and wait for it to upload. Once the upload has been completed, just draw over the object you want to remove from the video, and voila, your job is complete. Now you might be thinking, but how do I get paid for this, Stacy? Don't worry, I have got you covered. Now I want you to visit Fiverr.com and search for Remove Object from Videos. As you can see, hundreds of people are providing this service and are getting hundreds of orders each day. The magic AI tool that I just shared with you is hidden from these people, meaning you will be delivering your work faster and more accurately, resulting in better reviews and loads of cash. I just can't wait for you to start making money using this amazing technique that I just shared. Now let's move on to the next tool, that is Backdrop Remix. Now this tool can give infinite backgrounds to any picture. All you need to do is upload an image of any product of your choice. This is a shirt design I created with Midjourney to sell on my Etsy store. If you have not watched the last video, I would highly recommend you to check it out, as you'll be making similar designs and more money on the side. Once the image is uploaded, you can choose any background from the right to outshine your product photography. Here, let me show you a couple of them. Don't they just look amazing? Now, I want you to go back on Fiverr and search for Edit Product Photos. And again, you can see people here have thousands of reviews and are making thousands of dollars doing the exact same thing that the AI bot did for us in seconds. Now, for the people who don't know how to sell these services on Fiverr, I have already covered this topic many times in my previous videos. Comment down below, teach us about Fiverr. If enough people are interested, I will surely make a separate video on this topic again. Now, the last tool that I wanted to share with you is called Blur Faces. It works exactly similar to InPainting. Instead of removing the object completely, it blurs people's faces to maintain their privacy. You can also check out on Fiverr by searching for Blur Faces, and you will find out that there is a huge demand for this gig as well. Thousands of people want their faces blurred from a video and are ready to pay for this job. Now I want you to stop thinking and start taking action. Register these 3 gigs on your Fiverr account today and see the money roll in. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.